So this was a win. Marauders, welcome back to the channel. Please consider subscribing, sharing, and liking this video.
Boy, that was an aggressive welcome from the inside of my cab, wasn't it? If you like my snow blowing videos and find them relaxing, I think you'll enjoy this video. I think it's awesome. This is a day after a snowstorm. We got about 12, well, actually I think I got about over 12 inches of snow on my property, 12 to 16 inches of snow. It's compacted overnight to probably about 12 inches. Great footage. I put a lot of time into this front end of the machine with the extended A-arms 2 inches forward, the 32-inch tires, and aligning the front end. A lot of work. I hope you enjoy the video. Shout out to my viewers. I thank you for subscribing to my channel. The views are up on my channel, and your comments are intelligent, and there's so many of you are funny. Thank you. Thank you for supporting the channel. Please keep commenting.
I hope that doesn't show.
The tires on my Defender are a true 32 inches in diameter. They're Evil M1 tires, and they are outstanding on turf, in the snow, and on the trail. On stones or gravel, they roll a little bit. The machine will roll side to side on turns, so you got to be careful. They're okay for trail riding in the mud that I do. They're not a mud tire. They're a trail tire, maybe even a rock crawling tire. Excellent tire. I've been very pleased with it. So the American flag has spread to my Defender Limited. I've watched YouTube channels, farmers, and they have their American flag on their implements. And I thought, why not try it on my Defender and my tractor? We'll see if it will make it to the ATV. But I think it's beautiful. I hope you put your country's flag on your machines. They're rear differential is locked on the machine. I'm in all-wheel drive. Most of the time I'm in high, and I'll do a video on the system that detects belt slippage. If I have momentum and hit the throttle, the machine is fine in high gear with these tires in the snow. But if I don't, if I ease into the throttle and am in deep snow, the belt will spin. More to come on that. So the drone is an active track where it's not staying stationary and panning to follow me. It is actually flying, tracking the machine. And every time I go in this mode, I have a problem. And I've crashed it once into this mode, into a tree, into the side of my house, and now here it comes. This is not what you want to see as a drone operator. Tree limbs inches from your camera. Not good. Listen to me breathe as I fly it out of this. If you hear beeping, that's the proximity sensors on the drone trying to alert me that it's near an object that it may hit, and I'm surrounded by trees, but I wanted to give you this view. Hope you enjoy it. On a day like today, I think it was about 15 degrees, you can really appreciate the heated cab. I did. It was awesome. I wasn't wearing a jacket. I actually was too warm. I had the temperature set too high, and it was just awesome. Second thing is, please notice how quiet the machine is. I'd encourage everyone to try to stay with a stock exhaust system, and one of the reasons why I like Can-Am is their Rotac engine is quiet. Over the last 18 years, I've put a lot of hard work into this piece of property, and I'm very proud of it. Today, I'm just enjoying the property, fruits of my labor, and this machine. I thought this was a pretty good view of the Defender Limited up against the creek, and I hope you agree. Thank you for coming back to the channel, and this was a fun day after 5 hours of moving snow. The machine is now in low gear and it just has no issues whatsoever. Great performer. My wife is in the great room behind those windows and she's wondering what is he doing, but she knows I'm just playing, fooling around, enjoying, after a snowstorm, enjoying a sunny day, a foot, 16 inches of snow, a great machine, and sharing it with you. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Snow at the end of my driveway is anywhere from 16 inches to 20 inches deep, and it is somewhat compact. Gives a little suspension a workout. I just love carving the snow. Pretty cool.
If you ride motorsports off-road, please wear a helmet to protect yourself and set an example for others. I'm kind of in my backyard, but maybe I should have a helmet on. I've been horsing this thing around, so I gotta I gotta set an example for others. Get out and ride the great outdoors. I've been up since 5 o'clock in the morning. I was shoveling for an hour, cleaning off cars, snow blowing for 2 hours, moving cars around and cleaning up spots like that where the cars were. 5 hours outside this morning, then another hour or so doing this and in the garage, and that's when I'm happiest, when I'm not at work, being active. Spent some time with my wife, and it feels good. Get out and ride the great outdoors. Do something outdoors if you can. I think you'll feel better, especially during this pandemic. Thank you. I hope to see you on the trail. God bless.